Now we want to talk about the example 6 in the notes 1.1. The question mentioned that in the following expressions, you need to round off each of the numbers to two significant figures. And then you need to estimate the values. So when we look for the part A, that is 21.72 plus 20.15, what should we do? As mentioned in question, first of all, we need to round off each the number into two significant figures. So now, for this question, 21.72 plus 20.15, we need to do the first step, that is round off it to two significant figures. So that for the first number, 21.72, when we round off to the two significant figures, that's the first two significant figures. But we need to round off. So this one, on the number 9, 21. The next one should be 22 with two significant figures. So 21.72, it should be much more near to 22. So after round off, it is 22. For the same case, for 20.15, we need to round off to two significant figures. So the same, first significant figure, the second one. So on the number 9, it is 20. The next one is 21. Okay, and 20.15 should be the case somewhere here. So it is more close to 20 than 21. So after round off, it should be 20. Okay, and 21.72 should be 22. So this is the first step, round off the number. And then we need to estimate the values. Okay, so after the round off, that's 22 and 20. So we add them together. So the number should be 42. And then we move to the part B, that is 304.79 times 32. It's the same. The first step is that we want to round off the number to two significant figures. So therefore 304.79 to two significant figures. That should be 3 and 0. But we need to also consider that it is more close to 300 or 310. Okay, it is more closer to 300. So that after round off, this one should be 300. And 42, that is a two significant figures number. So we no need to do more stuff. So that these two numbers, after round off, that is 300, and then times 32. And then we can find the answer. And then we move to part C. Actually, for part C, the concept is the same of the part A and part B. The most important point is that we need to do the round off first, and then do the calculations. So that, please remember, for the part C, please don't do the calculation before you have rounded off these two numbers. So for these two numbers, if we want to round off them to the two significant figures, the same, 2, 3, 6, 5, first significant figures, the second one, so it is 2300. But we need to also consider for this number, it is more close to 2300 or 2400. This one should be more close to 2400. So after round off, this one should be 2400. And for this one, we do it quickly. After round off, that should be 80. So you can do it like 2400 divided by 80. And then you can find the answer by yourself.